Hour. Grab Prime now to save $50. Usually $67 month. Today only one time $17. Click here to get started now. Grab your copy now, before this expires. Hurry, the price rises in 00 hours, 32 minutes, 33 seconds. Link in description. The price really goes up. ACT now to get a bargain. Grab Prime right now. Tap into 300 traffic sources in one click. Activate our traffic into $51.77 hour system. No tech skills or experience needed. Our 3-figure a day case study included. Get in front of real visitors who buy. Stop wasting money on paid traffic. Get free traffic so you can make sales today. The price is rising. If you wait, you'll end up paying more. Act now to lock in this special one-time price. Finally enjoy free buyer traffic. No matter what you're selling. The built-in system within Prime not only gets us traffic but also converts that traffic into $51.77 per hour. Link in description. However, you can also use the Prime app to drive free traffic to pretty much any type of offer out there in the market. It works with, but not limited to, Warrior Plus, ClickBank, Jvzoo, Pay.com, eBay, Amazon. Literally any website, any offer. If you want free buyer traffic today, then Prime is the answer. Grab Prime now to save $50. Usually $67 month. Today only one time $17. Click here to get started now. Grab your copy now, before this expires. Hurry, the price rises in 00 hours, 32 minutes, 33 seconds. Link in description. The price really goes up. ACT now to get a bargain. We give you everything you need to attain the laptop lifestyle. The brand new Prime software. Beginner-friendly, one-click app gets you free visitors and 23 seconds on AutoPilot from 300 traffic sources across 7 channels like email, SMS, social and more that make us and our students $51.77 an hour. AutoPilot $51.77 hour system. The Prime software gets you free buyer traffic but also comes with the exact system built in that we use to turn that free traffic into $51.77 an hour. Over-the-shoulder video tutorials. Imagine looking over the shoulder of a millionaire as he walks you through the simple steps we follow to get free visitors that turn into $51.77 an hour. Well, imagine no longer because the exact training is included with your purchase. Ready, fire, profit guide. If you don't like watching videos, we have a 60-second guide that shows you the exact process our early users followed to get free traffic and $51.77 an hour flowing inch. Link in description. Live chat support. We know the state of market, with most vendors taking forever to reply or flat out not replying at all. That's why our promise is to be there for you on live chat 24/7 to give you the best chance of succeeding. The 3 steps to $420.95 in 8 hours. We're also including a real-life case study walking you through the exact steps we took to pull in $420.95 in 8 hours using the Prime software. Call to millions. We know some people still enjoy the old-fashioned touch of human-to-human interaction, so you'll get a 15-minute onboarding call with a millionaire, where you can ask questions, get help and get results. The live training. There will be a live stream where we'll actually show you how we use the Prime software to get free traffic and sales in front of your very eyes, and yes, this will be recorded. Grab Prime now to save $50. Usually $67 month. Today only one time $17. Click here to get started now. Grab your copy now, before this expires. Hurry, the price rises in 00 hours, 32 minutes, 33 seconds. The price really goes up. ACT now to get a bargain. 7 reasons you must grab Prime now. One-click app that contains 300 traffic sources. $51.77 an hour. Learn how we turn traffic into $51.77 hour. Web-based. Nothing to download or install. Beginner-friendly. No tech skills or experience. World's first. 100% unique and never before seen. Link in description. 7 channels. SMS, email, social, push, video, streams and messenger in one click. AutoPilot results. We enjoy traffic and sales while we sleep. Nothing quite like Prime exists in the world. The market is flooded with gimmicks, fads and loopholes, all of which of course do not work. That's why with Prime, the focus is to solve an old age problem. Helping beginners get free traffic. As we know, once traffic is flowing, sales typically follow. And they follow for a very long time. Whether it's pocket money you're after, a side hustle, job replacing opportunity, Prime is your best choice. Here's a few reasons why. It actually works and gets you traffic. The built-in system pays us $51.77 hour. 12 plus beta testers have got results. $18,534 spent getting it built for you. There's nothing missing or kept back. No monthly fees unlike other apps. Who can benefit from the power of Prime? If you're somebody who is brand new, a beginner newbie, wanting free traffic, tired of struggling, need results fast, want $51.77 hour, like us, then this was made for you. With Prime in your hands, driving free laser-targeted traffic that converts into cold hard cash is child's play. Prime doesn't discriminate, so whether you're young or old, live in the West or the East, male or female, any background, any race, any religion, Prime can let you experience the joy of free buyer traffic that makes us $51.77 per hour and lets you unlock the laptop lifestyle. Grab Prime now to save $50. Usually $67 a month, today only one time $17. Click here to get started now. Grab your copy now, before this expires. Hurry, the price rises in 00 hours, 32 minutes, 33 seconds. Link in description. The price really goes up. ACT now to get a bargain. Waking up to sales every day could be your